Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we deal with the idiom beat a dead horse, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to keep talking about a subject that has already been discussed or decided, or to waste time and effort trying to do something that is impossible. As the government discussed future plans, a politician wanted to revive an idea he put on the table from last year. Can I suggest going back to my proposal on taxes from last September? I don't think we should open that discussion again. It would be like beating a dead horse at this stage. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. The amateur novelist tried everything to get his book published. I'm getting really tired of rejection. I feel like I'm beating a dead horse. The mother is getting impatient with her child. It doesn't matter how many times you ask, the answer will still be no. You're beating a dead horse asking all the time. The protesters stayed strong with their plea. They tell us we're beating a dead horse, but we won't give up until we get what we want. Now here are some more examples, this time in professional situations. An employee requests a meeting with their manager. The manager doesn't seem happy. Listen, we've been over this countless times. You are beating a dead horse. Please don't call any more meetings for this again. Two employees were having a disagreement in the office. I thought we had this issue worked out. Why do you insist on beating a dead horse? Management discuss potential new clients. Have we anything in the pipeline? Nothing that will jump out at you, but I could send a sales agent back to EnglishLogica. They are big hitters. No, we've been through this. It's like beating a dead horse now. Where did you hear the expression, beat a dead horse? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.